I see men every day in my practice suffering from erectile dysfunction. It's a really common problem. Sometimes it's an easy fix, and sometimes it's not. But sometimes guys have this problem because of certain lifestyle choices or bad habits. I'm Dr. Joshua Gonzalez, board certified urologist and sexual health expert, here today to talk about some of those habits that may negatively affect your sexual health. Smoking is one of the leading causes of erectile dysfunction. The chemicals in cigarettes can damage blood vessels and reduce blood flow to your penis. Over time, this can have a negative impact on your erectile health and sexual health overall. Alcohol consumption can also be a factor in erectile dysfunction. While a drink or two may not have a significant impact, excessive drinking can damage the nerves and blood vessels that control erections. So if you're a man suffering from erectile dysfunction, one of the best things you can do is cutting out smoking altogether and really limiting your alcohol consumption. I'd recommend no more than 1 to 2 drinks per week. Now, another thing you're going to want to look at is your diet. We all know that diets that are heavy in junk food and processed foods are bad for your overall health. Did you know that they're bad for your sexual health as well? These foods are often high in saturated and trans fats, which can clog arteries, not just the arteries in your heart, not just the arteries in your brain, but the cavernosal arteries in your penis. And this over time can reduce blood flow to your penis and make it harder to get an erection. Now, there are a lot of heart-healthy diet recommendations out there. One diet that I definitely recommend is the Mediterranean diet, which has been shown to help improve male sexual health. Now, another thing I ask my patients a lot is how often and how long are they sitting? A sedentary lifestyle can be really bad for erectile function. Why? Well, when you sit for long periods of time, you actually reduce blood flow to your penis, and the muscles in the pelvis that help control and maintain an erection actually get weaker the longer you sit. So if you're looking to maximize your erections, one great option would be a standing desk. But if that's not available to you and you have to sit at a desk, or you're sitting during a long plane ride, make sure that you're getting up at least once an hour and stretching. And don't forget to incorporate lower body resistance training into your gym routine. That can, over time, help strengthen those pelvic muscles. One other thing that doesn't get talked about a lot is phone use. Did you know that using your phone in bed too often can actually be detrimental to your sexual health? That's because the blue light that's emitted from our phones and other electronic devices over time can disrupt sleep patterns. And sleep is really important for testosterone production and erectile function. So if you want to improve the quality of your erections or increase your sexual desire, consider not using your phones or tablets or any other electronic device for at least an hour before you go to bed. So if you're experiencing erectile dysfunction, make sure you say something to a healthcare provider. They can help determine the underlying cause and make good treatment recommendations. But by avoiding some of these bad habits and adopting a healthy lifestyle, you can help improve your erectile function over time.